Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to discuss the addition of the partners problem. Problem 9. So, what is the problem? Addition of partner. Straber and Sparrow were sharing their profit loss in the ratio of 7:3. They were admitted a new partner with following changes in the required the new partners. So, number 1. Distributed the general reserve 20,000. Distributed the general reserve 20,000. In 20,000 general reserve transferred to old partners capital account. Next one, revalued and altered the book value of furniture 8,000, book value of 8,800 from the present book value of 10,200. Is a book value furniture 8,200 decrease. So decrease the provision for doubtful debts 6,000 to 4,500. Decrease the provision, liability is decreased. They record the newly admitted claim of 9,000 payable to the employees as bonus. It is also expenditure. This is the retaliation account to employee bonus account general entry. Write off the 3,000 from book value of building. Written off means decrease in depreciation of the building. What is general entry of these? Is the revaluation account to building account. Write the general entries from the above transactions presently. Prepare the revaluation account and general reserve account. Write the general entries. What is the general entries already? General entries explained. Previous class already explained. When the assets are decreased, when the assets are increased, liabilities are increased, liabilities are decreased. What is the revaluation of profit? These general entries already explained. Malak sir would have explained this now. So what is the first? Distributed general reserve, general entries. General entries, pro forma. First entry. What is first entry? Means this was general reserve. General reserve account data. General reserve account data to old partners capital, Shravan capital and Sparrow capital. Sparrow capital. What is the amount of these general reserve means 20,000. 20,000. Calculate ratio of the 7:3. 20,000 into 7 by 3. 20,000 into 7 by 3 means 20,000 into 7 divided by 3. 4,000. 4,000. 6 and 4,000. 20,000 into 7 divided by 3. 20,000 into 7 divided by 3. 7 divided by 4,000. 7 divided by 10, 14,000. Sorry, చిన్న మిస్టేక్ జరిగింది ఇక్కడ. 7 divided by 10. Swaroop, 20,000 divided by 20,000 into 3 divided by 10 means 14,000 means 6,000. 6,000. Being gender visa transfer to old partners capital. Second entry. Okay, revalue alter the book value of furniture 8,800 and present value of it is a decrease the value. So decrease and revaluation account data to revaluation account data to furniture account. The amount is 10,200 minus 8,800. 10,200 minus 8,800 is equal to 1,400. Being furniture value decrease. Third entry decrease the provision for doubtful debts, decrease the liability decrease. What is journal entry? Provision for liabilities account data to revaluation account means provision for doubtful account data account data to revaluation account. The amount decrease the 6,000 minus 4,500. 1,500 being decreasing liabilities. Next fourth entry. What is fourth entry? Means record or admitted in the quarters. The employee bonus. What is generally means? Revaluation account data to employee bonus account. Revaluation account. Account data to employee bonus account. 9,000 being employee bonus paid allocated. Next fifth entry. What is fifth entry? Decrease or meet the bonus. Next write off the 3,000 from the book value of building. Return off depreciation of the building. Decrease the building value. What asset value decrease? What is the asset value decrease? Revaluation account data to billing account. Revaluation account data to billing. When the assets value increase, what is the asset account data to revaluation account? When the asset value decrease, revaluation account data to asset account. When the liabilities increased. So the revaluation account data to liabilities. When the liabilities are decreased, the liability account data to revaluation account. So these proper format from entries are following. Here asset value decrease, revaluation account data to building account, being asset value, building value, decreased. How much value? 3000. It is a decrease. First entry, find general entries in this problem. First entry, general reserve account data to 7 capital account to Swaroop capital account. These are transferred to the 7 and Swaroop. Second one, revaluation with the decreasing asset value. Revaluation account data to furniture account 12,200 to 8,800. So furniture value decreased. Next one, increasing, decreasing liability. Provision for doubtful account data to revaluation account 6,000 minus 4,400. When the employee bonus paid, revaluation account data to employee bonus account 9,000. Employee bonus allocated. The revaluation account data to building account with the asset value decrease. Return off means depreciation. So we have to prepare the revaluation account. Revaluation account. These revaluation accounts prepared on the basis of the journal entries. What it is debit and what it is the credit. Debit and credit. First entry revaluation account, no revaluation account. Second revaluation debit side, revaluation account data to furniture account. Revaluation account data to furniture. Furniture account, so 1400. Next, provision for doubtful account data to revaluation credit side. The credit side, provision for doubtful debts. Doubtful debts 1500. Next entry, next revaluation account data to employee bonus. Here revaluation account data to employee bonus 9,000. Next entry revaluation account debits. Here also debit. So revaluation account data to building account. Building account 3,000. 3 entry debit side to 1 account credit side. Here 9,000 plus 1,400 plus 3,000. 13,400 minus 1,500, 11,000 and the loss. Profit and loss account. Loss. Which purpose we have to prepare the revaluation account means we are accepting the profit or loss. Here we getting only loss the revaluation account. What is general entry of revaluation loss? So revaluation account data to profit and loss account data to revaluation account. Profit and loss account data to revaluation. Sixth entry. Profit and loss account data to revaluation. पुनर्मूल्यांकन खाता revaluation account with loss 11,900 loss being revaluation account loss. Six entries in this problem. Next one, general reserve. We are preparing general reserve. General reserve account application చూడండి సార్. General reserve. General reserve account. General, what is the general reserve account at auto Shravan capital and Swarup capital? General reserve account at auto Shravan capital amount 14,000. Swarup capital 6,000. Only two activities in general reserve account. 20,000 but balance carried on 20,000. Here a general reserve account. In this problem we have to prepare a general entries and revaluation account and general reserve account. First of all we have to write the general entries. It is a very important thing. General entries, when we are perfectly writing general entries, we have to simply prepare the ledger account, revaluation ledger account and the general reserve account. This is totally depends upon general entries. First of all, we have to perfectly learn the by heart the general entries. When the assets are increase, decrease, liability increase, decrease, whatever it may be, when we are perfectly learn general entries, so simply we learn simplification the revaluation account and general reserve account. Okay, next problem, next video, next class.